This innocuous looking toolbox is an old innocuous looking toolbox. It says it's an 16-inch all-purpose hip roof box by Stack-On, and it looks like it has been stacked on many times. It's dented, and that my dad found this, had this, or what, gave it to me eventually. I don't know why. I had no use for it. The handle, the whole thing was filthy. I cleaned it as best I could, really, and the handle was squeaky, so I put some nice 3-in-1 blue can in there, because this is obviously a motor when it moves, so obviously we have to use the blue can. So I put that in there, and now it doesn't squeak anymore. And we open it up. It sticks a little bit to find hot glue central. Yeah. So I guess I'll go through this and pull everything out. There's a couple non-hot glue things in here, such as my soldering iron that I use for melting plastic. This was a Trisonic dollar store soldering iron. What does that say, 30 watt, 40 watt, something like that. I can't read anymore without glasses, so that's that. The mini hot air gun, which I showed. This is nice for remelting hot glue and other things like that. My new AdTech low temperature glue gun with a long glue stick. The There I Fixed It glue gun from China, which I actually ended up using the other day, and it actually works reasonably well if you just do it, you know, manual thumb control to feed the glue through, so that's good. And in here is my original AdTech glue gun, and the new one that I got. Oh, I bet that might be a Italian. I just woke up. This is an hour later. Italian on the phone. No, actually it was my dad first, and then while I was on the phone with him, the Italian called. So then I had to call him back, but anyway, back to the story. So like I was saying, this is my original AdTech glue gun with the 2 temperature settings, the new one. And this has, as you've seen, a dial, which is impossible to turn without a tool. So I made one. Here is a tiny screwdriver that used to be Phillips, and I don't know if it'll focus, but I turned it into a flat blade just on my Dremel. I just ground it down. I made a flat blade, and it's not perfect, but it fits and it works. And I'm doing this with the wrong hand, so I can't see what the hell I'm doing, but it turns it. It works. So that's in here. We'll take that out along with the tips for it, which we went through. The colored sticks. Here are some long sticks. There's skinny ones and fat ones in there. Short skinny ones in here. So I got those. The colored ones, like I said, the wood glue sticks, which I'll probably never use. And under that are my hot glue pots. I've had videos on these many, many moons ago. Maybe I'll go and put all the links to all the glue gun stuff in the prescription. I mean, in the prescription, so that way you can review old videos, so I get paid more, because I love that kind. And there was one other thing I had to do to this box involving hot glue, and that involves the bottom of it. This box had these little metal bump out like feet on it, but they had rusted kind of like it is here. And I said, well, if I'm going to be putting that on the floor, that's going to leave rust. So I found 2 little rubber squares I had, put a dot of hot glue on that, and then glued around them so they'll stay. And the back is actually 1 piece of rubber I cut in half, because I didn't have any more of these. And I cut that in half and just, you know, schmegged that on also, and that's it. So that is Hot Glue Central. So I'm all set with that forever. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.